What's up, YouTube? Silver Gardens over here with another video. I got some silver dimes, silver junk silver dimes that came in the mail today. I'm gonna be unboxing them, and the first thing I see here is they're very discreet. On here it says stone decor and boulder, so it's pretty discreet. Well, anyways, let's get right to it. There's some tape on here. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is packaged pretty good. Feels like opening up a Christmas present. And there's a box in here. Let's open this up. Boom. It says, "Thank you for your support, SD Bullion." Okay, and another pouch. So cut this open. Yeah, let's go ahead and cut that. Boom, and here they are. 2 rows of dimes. These ones were who's that? Lincoln? These are the Lincoln ones. And these ones are the Mercury dimes. Wow, look at that. An old school dime. I'll be opening these up. And I also got some coins on a separate order, but it came together. These are the Philharmonic coins. Wow, these look real nice too. So anyways, let's get to the dimes right now. Alright. The Mercury. Yeah, see, these ones say Mercury and these ones just say dimes. So let me open up these Mercury ones. Wow, look at that. I see 3 black ones in there. Must be dirty. Okay. Yep. Look at those. Wow. Wow, these are real nice. Wow, look at this one. What year is that? 1943. Man, I don't think I've ever seen one of these. Wow, these are nice. I'm gonna have to look through these. I'm gonna look through all those individually, see which one's the oldest year. And let's check out the regular dimes. So these are like the more common dimes. These look nice. I wonder which one is the oldest year. 1958 over here. Real silver. So you can buy silver coins right now. They're available. I would suggest, instead of buying an 18-pack of beer over the weekend or going out to the concert, try to put some money aside to buy some of this silver. This is real money, real silver, 90% silver. trade in your paper dollars for this stuff, because with inflation, you know, the dollar's getting weaker and these are getting more valuable. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed your video. I hope you enjoyed my video. You know, if you want more of these videos, subscribe, you know, give me a thumbs up. Hope you're having a good one. Later.